Want to share your melodies or use them in any other project? Let's export MIDI file in FL Studio the easiest way. First up, open your piano roll. I'm accessing mine through the channel right, but you can open yours however you like. Once you're there, look for this button right here. Click on it, then head over to File and select Export as MIDI file. A window will pop up. Now, choose the destination where you want to save your MIDI file. Give it a name that you'll remember, then click Save, and bam! That's it, you've successfully exported your MIDI. To double check, go to the folder where you saved it and you'll see your MIDI file right there, ready to use in another project or software. And that's it, a simple way to export MIDI in FL Studio. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.